Water is life. Hmm. Have you taken yours? Welcome back to Samirazi Fashion Channel, home of trendy styles. Thank you so much for my subscribers, my whole subscriber for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So this video is exciting because we are making trendy, free, simple dress. It's very simple dress. And the good thing about this video that we are making is that we are cutting the fabric together. It's called cut together. So you are going to also learn that from the video. So it's a very simple dress, like I said before, and it's trending. And I want you to make yours. This particular one, I'm making it for my lovely sister. I'm giving it out to her as a gift. You can also learn how to make this dress and give it out also to your loved ones. So watch, I will employ you to watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to the channel. Give my video a thumbs up because it's going to help this video to go a very long way on the YouTube channel so that more people can see this video. And not only that, we have something coming on this channel. So keep a date with us. Watch this video to the end.
Hello guys, how you people doing? This is Samira Z Fashion. Today we are going to make a simple dress that is a fit dress, and this is the fabric that I have to make it. So this is the front side, as you can see. So let's go and start with the measurement. So I will turn the back. So let me turn the back so that we'll start our measurements. So what I'm doing now, to cut it at once, so they call it cut together. Don't want to take much of your time on this video. So this is how you lay your fabric, and you return it back again. That is into four. So we are cutting everything at once. That's why I'm doing it like this. So this it, I fold it out just for us to start with the measurements. First, you start with the measurement from the shoulder to your length that you need, and that's what I'm doing here. The length that we have here, we are making it 42. Everything is 42, both the hemline. So we are making it everything 42. So this is the length that we need now. So we come back to the shoulder side of it. So we mark our shoulder. Don't forget, when marking your shoulder, you use into two, not into four, into two. So our shoulder here is 16. So you add your allowance on it. You don't just make it 16. You can put 1 inch, making it 9. So you bring it down to get your armhole. I'm marking 8 here to our armhole. So under your armhole, you now get your measurement. The measurement here is 38. So what I'm adding here, both the allowance, everything is 44. That is 11. So when doing your body measurement, is into 4, not into 2. So that is the armhole. So now I'm marking it from the shoulder again to, I'm not using the half length like that. I'm taking it up because it will not be too shaped. So I'm putting it on 14. Yes, I don't want to start from the half length. So what we get there here is 11. So I'm putting here, I'm moving half an inch, that is 10.5. So that is just it. I'm not doing the hip side because we are not trying to get hip. It won't be like the free wear again. So now take it. Can you see the way it is now? So starting from here, take it down. So we're not doing all those hip measurement, no, because it's a free dress. So now we're done with the body part. The neck, I'm marking 3.5. Marking 3.5. For the cleavage, I'm bringing it down with 4. It is a round neck that we are doing. So this is the round neck, 3.5. And the cleavage that is bringing it down is 4. And you connect. So this one that you are still seeing that I'm bringing is just for me to get the back neck, because we are cutting it together. So I will cut this one first before this one, because this one is the front side. Now this one that you are seeing is the back side of the neck. So we are done with the measurement, and we are done with the measurement, just for me to cut it out. So I'm cutting it now. You open it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to slant. Don't forget to slant your shoulder. So I'm using half inch to slant it. So I've slanted it out. It's not on the line that you see. I slant it out. So that is it. So we are done with the back side of the neck. So I want to just pull it out for me to cut the front side of the neck. You can see what I'm doing. So this is the front side now that I want to cut from the neck. So I'm cutting it. Like my video, watch it, and do it by yourself. At the excess of showing you this video, you can see that it's not hard for you to get your free dress. So this is our free dress now that we have done. So let me open it for you. This is the front side of the neck, and see it. This is the front side of the neck. This is the front side, and this is the back side of it. So when sewing, this is how you just lay it and sew. Start from your shoulder and sew and join. So that is it. So let me open it to show you at the front side. So this is how you sew it now. You can see you've gotten it. So this is it. So you can see that it's not hard for you to get your free dress. So try and do it, and subscribe.
I hope you enjoy our tutorial today on how to cut and sew your trendy free dress. I hope you understood all what we did there, and I hope you are going to also translate what you learn into cutting your own simple, trendy, free dress for you to wear. You can make for your friends, you can make for your clients. It's very beautiful free dress. I hope you understood everything. And I want to also thank you for always watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ask your friends to watch my videos and also subscribe and give my video a thumbs up so that my video can go a long way for other people to see it on YouTube channel. So keep a date with me again. Be good. Bye bye.